national budget is 3.77 trillion, and we figured out that our census population is 320,101,221. So the question asked, what is each citizen's share of the national budget? Our estimated was, we just took 3.8 and divided it by 320 billion. And it came out with our 11,871 per person. So tell them how we did the actual.
Then we got the calculator and came out with, you mean these?
No, yeah, we used the exact ones, like 3.77.
Yeah, the exact ones. They got 11,777.5246.
All right, calculate using what is each citizen's share of the national debt. So before we got to go back to, we got our big number, which was our 18 million.
Yeah, we had the all we gotta do is we need the 18 trillion
And our census.
and then our census, which was the 320 million.
And then we did it rough, so we did 1.8, and then we did times 10 to the 13, and then 3.2 times 10 to the 8th, and our estimate was 56,250. Then we used our calculator, and we pulled out 56,474, which is our exact.
Yeah,
That's number 2.
Actual.
All right, so number 3, this was kind of an easy one, because all we had to do was take the $141 billion they gave us and divide it by the 3.77 trillion, which is our national budget. And
That came out to be the .034 or 374, sorry. Then we put that into percentage form, moved the decimal place, and got 3.74%.
all right, then B, B was
Just asking.
asking, yeah.
Yeah, do 1 over 100 and
You get 0.01.
yeah, 1 cent.
All right, number 4 was pretty self-explanatory. We felt like her department was more respected and she does more for her company. And starting on A, Mr. Smith.
Okay, well, starting with A, Mr. Smith say he lost not as much money as Mrs. Jones, but the amount of money he lost was a bigger percentage of the amount of money he had.
That's why he was criticized and she was.
So he was criticized. Mrs. Jones ended up losing more money, but it wasn't as great a percentage as it was coming out of his budget now. So she got a good rating on it.
All right, according to this website, the total request for USAID, commonly called Foreign Aid 14, is 20.4 billion. What percent is national budget? So we're just going to do 3.77 trillion divided by 20.4 billion, and we come out to 0.054 times 154%. All right, number 7 is our dollar bill. Sure you can see it.
Here's the big ruler.
We're going to measure this
Ours
thing.
too.
Just tell right here. That's inches, so we're making it in centimeters.
We're up to 15.6 centimeters long. Comes out to 6.6 centimeters wide.
Alright, this one on number 8. If you laid a $24 billion bill as Indian, how many miles the trail would be? We calculated this and we figured out that we'd have to use miles and kilometers, so we used this little chart right here. So in the end, we came out where we said 374 billion 400 million divided by 160,900. That came out to 2,300 and
2 million.
no, what came out to?
2 million.
Oh yeah. 2,362,911.12 miles. All right, and B said about how many times how many times around the Earth would this string reach? And we
So
said
we had to take the amount of miles, divided that by the,
Yeah, bigger number. It comes out to 93 times around the Earth.
yeah.
We were kind of confused on number 9. We think we got it pretty solid. It said how many square miles would this trail of $1 billion bills cover? And we did our 24 million, or 24 billion, or 24 million. We divided that by, or no, I'm skipping one.
We took the square root of the 2 million miles we had. Took the square root of that, and it came out to equal 1,525.42 miles square.
Okay. All right, number 10 is our last one. Let's say that the government hires someone to count $24 billion bills. Let's say it takes about 5 seconds to count 10 out loud. How long do you think this person will count $24 billion bills, assuming all they put your answer in years? So we had to use another chart. We had to convert years and hours and seconds and days just to see what this would all come out to. We came out to 12 million. We divided by our big number, which would be 61,536,000, and that came out to 380.51 years to count $24 billion bills.
Yeah.
That's the last.
That's the last.